Hi, to disable app drawer on your Vivo V40, as a first step, let's check what is drawer. So drawer is basically this thing when you are swiping up and you can see the list of apps you have. And if you want to disable this cool feature, then you would need to press and hold any free space on the screen, go in the home screen settings, and select home screen style, and after that, switch from the drawer to standard. And to save the changes, just use the arrow to go back. So now you cannot swipe up to open the list of apps you have because they would be all presented on your home screen. So everything would be just on your home screen. To switch back to the drawer, just as before, press the empty space, go in home settings, choose home screen style and switch to drawer. And then save the changes. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.